Hey everyone, QUEERVEE here, and welcome to my Paletteful Packs prompt video. As you might have seen from the thumbnail, I chose the prompt Jellyfish, which was week 1 prompt, because I really wanted to do a jellyfish mermaid, and I thought that was a perfect prompt word for mermaid. So this is my first time ever drawing a jellyfish mermaid, so that was a challenge, but it was very fun, and I like how she turned out, and I also really liked working with these inks. Like, they're really nice and very pretty colors, and yeah, I thought that they made this gorgeous orange when mixed together, because I got, you know, yellow and magenta, so yeah, I liked them. It was fun to use them. I'm sure that I could figure out more ways to use them better, but that's how it is. But yeah, so how are your guys' mermaid been going? Let me know, because I don't know very many people actually doing mermaid, so I don't get to talk about it a lot, and I've just been mermaiding away. So yeah, I'm finally sharing these videos with you guys. I am about to go to Florida with my sister. Actually, by the time that you guys see this, I will already be in Florida because I'm scheduling a few videos. But yeah, we're going to Universal Studios, so that'll be fun. I'm wearing my Harry Potter shirt to celebrate that. We've been a lot to the park, and we both really love Harry Potter and other stuff at the park too, so it's very fun to go. Very fun. But yeah, this box was really a delight to work with. I had a hard time because I was trying to keep things white without using a gel pen because I wanted to only use the supplies in the box. So, except for a pencil to sketch. But yeah, so it was hard to keep the pearls white, but I think I did an okay job of it. And I love the brush. Oh my god. I only used one of them. I probably should have used both of them, but I really like round brushes, so so yeah, I'm just using the round brush and having a good old time painting away, and this is definitely my favorite part. I think that she looked cuter without the black lines. I think the black lines are too harsh, and I would have liked to use colored pencil on her, or colored fineliner maybe. But yeah, the black was just too harsh, but I had to use the materials from the box, so outlined in black it was. I mean, I think I think she looks okay, but I'm not happy with the line work. I'm rarely happy with my line work. My hands don't work. I just get so shaky, and then it's like, it looks like a child did this or something. And it's just really hard to do. I don't know if anybody else has that issue, but I need to do some like some just like line drawing practice, line work practice, and just draw lines, honestly, because I don't know how else I'm gonna figure out how to do this. My lines look like children drew them. Like, if I do digital art on Paint Tool SAI, I use this thing called a stabilizer, and it's basically like when you draw something, there's like a little bit of a delay, and it smooths it out. So normally I'd be drawing like, but it's like, woo. So that's really handy because I have issues. But yeah, the brush pen was pretty nice. I liked it. The fineliners were fineliners. I did have to use them after because they're not waterproof. So, yeah. I don't know if that's anything, but I really liked working with this box. I really liked what I came up with, and we are nearing the end of the video, so I would like to say a special thank you to all of my patrons: Artemystik, Ezsithyn, Kim, Rhian, Jill, and Ashley. You guys are the best, and I love you so much. And I just wanted to thank you so much for helping me do what I love. And also, I should have said this earlier, but I have a Patreon reward going on right now. And if you sign up for any tier, you will be able to get a mermaid digital art book from me. It's going to have all my mermaids in it, and sketches too, and some little like written stuff about them. Maybe not all of them, but I'm gonna make up some stuff about them, and yeah, it's just really fun. So if you're interested in that, check out my Patreon. It would mean the world to me. It's only a special offer for May. And yeah, thanks so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It would be cool if you left a like, commented so I can get to know you, or subscribe to me. Yay, new friends. I hope you guys are having a good day. Bye!